everyone, and welcome back to Sharing Color and Art. Today is Inktober Day 2, and I'm going to be working off of the official prompt list, and today's word is Tranquil. So I'm doing a tranquil fantasy type of landscape. I'm using all ink in this. I'm starting out with just a cheap ballpoint pen, and then I will be using India ink to color in my drawing. Now, I don't know if you noticed up above where I'm drawing, you'll see some other color. My Copic markers went right through 140-pound watercolor paper, so I'm not sure how much more I'm going to be using my Copics. I was hoping to use them more, but I really need the back side of the paper for some of my later sketches, so I'll just have to see how it goes. But in the meantime, India ink does not soak through because it has shellac in it, so that will work out just fine. I also have a little surprise for you guys today. I'm going to be posting a second video later today. It's an unboxing video, and it's something you're not going to want to miss. You guys are going to love this. So stay tuned and watch for the second video. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and down below, and also subscribe and use the notification bell so you don't miss any other videos. In the meantime, be courageous, sketch with wild abandon, and most of all, be kind to each other. Take care.